What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, this channel is all about helping you guys start and grow your online high-ticket coaching or consulting business. In today's video, I have a kind of different video than what I usually put. As you guys can see, I'm holding the camera and I kind of wanted to do like a little vlog style, if that makes even sense. But in today, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about the 5 different business models that I've tried in the last 5 years, and which one's actually the best in my opinion, and which one you guys should actually start with. If that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and comment down below which one's your favorite, which one have you tried, and which one do you like the most. So let's go ahead and get started with number 5, which is drop shipping. Drop shipping is something that I actually tried back in 2017, 2018, and it did not do good for me whatsoever. Hey, don't get me wrong, I made quite some money with it, but it was the biggest headache that I probably ever done in my life, honestly. You know, the customer service was not there because all of these products were coming from China, so I wasn't actually seeing none of these products, and it was just a big headache, and I had to count in my manufacturer to send it. Shipping times were terrible. It took, sometimes a month for our clients to get the products that they were buying, and it was just a terrible experience, not only for me but also for my clients. For my clients, it was just a horrible experience. A lot of the times the products came in broken, they came in, it was just weird, it was bad. So I had to do a lot of refunds, and it was not a good experience, and I honestly don't recommend anybody to do drop shipping just in general because of that same reason. Like, I know I've had that experience, and I know a lot of other people have had that experience as well, where, the products came in broken, it takes forever to actually get the products, and it was just a terrible, terrible thing that I would honestly, business model, scratch off my list. But hey, at least I tried it, and I can actually say that it wasn't good, which was terrible. Hey guys, by the way, if you guys need help creating or starting your coaching or consulting business or getting more clients, go ahead and comment down below, or go ahead and use the first link down below. Booking a call. I would love to talk to you guys one-on-one and see how we can create a game plan to help you get to where you want to be. So guys, other than that, let's go ahead and get back to the video. Let's move on to business model that I've tried, number 4. This one is actually something that I still have with my partner, and it's an e-commerce store, like an actual branded e-commerce store. So we buy products in bulk and we're selling it, and it's kind of like a passive thing that happens nowadays. So at this point, an e-commerce store is actually a good business model. I think I actually enjoyed the business model of e-commerce, but as a beginner, the only part about it, if you're just starting out as a beginner and you don't have the funds and you don't have the money and you need something right now, this is definitely not a business model that you should start with, because of this reason. You need capital, right? You need capital in order to invest money up front. I think we invested around $5,000 up front in order to, before we even saw anything, so we can go ahead and get products, pictures, branding, logos, videos, all of those things that you need in order to start a business, right? Especially a physical business. We put all of that money up front, and yeah, we have made the money back. I'm not gonna say we haven't, but this is something that if you don't have the $5,000 up front to invest, it's gonna be really difficult. It's almost gonna be impossible because you need to buy the products in bulk. You usually need to buy a minimum quantity to 1,000 or 2,000 or even 5,000 in some cases. So this is a good business model, definitely. And this is something that, for example, you spend $5,000 up front, and then you're making, $1,000 or $500 a month on a consistent basis, or you sell out quickly and then you buy another one. Now, another thing that this is going to need is you're going to need somewhat of a following or be able to run ads in order to make this work. Because if nobody knows who you are, right? Nobody knows who you are. If you don't have a solid marketing strategy, you're not going to be able to sell your products. I mean, now with TikTok and Reels, it makes it a lot easier than when we got started. We didn't have like TikTok and Reels. We didn't utilize TikTok and Reels. Well, Reels didn't even exist at that moment, but TikTok was just starting out. So we didn't really have a set strategy on how to advertise our e-commerce product in order to go ahead and get clients effectively. So at that point, what was happening is just that my girlfriend has had quite a big following in some type of case. She has 5,000 to 7,000 followers at that point in time, and they were all her ideal clients, which a lot of them bought the products, and a lot of them still buy the products that we are selling. So unless you have the capital to invest up front, and unless you have somewhat of a following to be able to advertise that, then I don't recommend you doing the e-commerce. If you do, this is a good business model where you can actually scale this quite high if you have the right strategies, if you have a good product market fit, and all of that good stuff that comes into starting e-commerce. Now, I don't focus on it because it's not my favorite. I'm more of a expertise type. I'm more of an info product type of person, and I'm gonna tell you why in just a little bit. But that is my number 4. Number three. Number 3 has a very special place in my heart because this is actually the first business that we actually started online, which is our marketing agency. Now, you might be asking, oh my God, Jonathan, you focus on marketing agency for such a long time. Most of your videos right now currently are about starting out marketing agency, but it's only number 3. The reason why it's only number 3 is because when you start a marketing agency, yeah, you have time free. Yeah, you have location freedom, but a lot of the times you don't have time freedom, right? Because yeah, you're quitting and you're leaving one boss, but you're gaining a lot of different bosses, right? So now instead of just working for one person, you're working for a lot of different people. You're working for all of your clients. They all literally are your boss. So you have to, and so you have to answer to them, and you have to make sure that they're happy at all times, and not a lot of your revenue is going to leave, especially if you're charging $2K a month and you are making $10K a month, and if one of them leaves, now you're at $8K. So you literally lost 20% of your revenue with just one client. So it is kind of, especially as a beginner, it is a little bit more difficult to be able to scale that up because now there's so many marketing agencies out there that there's a lot of competition going after your ideal client. So you have to be able to differentiate yourself a lot. And that's one of the reasons why I actually stopped my marketing agency at the beginning of this year. I stopped my marketing agency because I just got tired. I had a horrible experience with a few of my clients on Thanksgiving, and they were just like a big headache. Honestly, they were just a big headache, and they wanted to get stuff done right away and didn't respect my time. And I was just honestly tired of it. I did it for 4 or 5 years, and I was just like, this is so draining. This is only draining my energy completely. And I just got to a point that I'm just like, you know what? It's enough. Enough is enough. I think I want to move on to something else, and I definitely did. And I'm gonna tell you guys what that is, obviously in just 1 second, because that's the number 1 on my list, and I'm gonna tell you why it's number 1. So yeah, the marketing agency is a great business model. I think it was fantastic. It is a really good beginner's model, but it does take a little bit of time to actually get your first client, and you have to be patient, especially now with competition. You have to be able to be patient because everybody's journey is different. I know some people got to 10K a month really quick. It took me a little bit to get to 10K a month with my marketing agency, but everything is possible. Now, you have to be able to set boundaries and set expectations in your marketing agency super fast at the beginning. If you don't, you're going to run into headaches like I did, and I was just kind of tired. I wanted to do something else. It wasn't something that I was passionate about, and that's why it's on number 3 for me, because it was just something that I did for money instead of doing it from the bottom of my heart and just because I actually enjoyed it or liked it. I was doing it mostly because of the money that it was generating me. So you're going to learn that obviously when you do something for money, what's going to happen is that you're not going to feel passionate and you're not going to be happy doing what you're doing right now. And if you're not happy, then there's going to be a lot of problems and a lot of headaches coming your way. So that's why it is at number 3. Now, number 2 is affiliate marketing. I absolutely love affiliate marketing. The whole business model is super good. Why? 1, because you don't need a product to actually you don't need to create your own products. You can advertise other people's products and get paid a commission for it. Especially if you do high ticket affiliate, you can sell a $2,000 product and make $500 easily. And how many you sell 10 of those a month, you made $5K, and you're making a full-time income online selling other people's products. Now, the catch with affiliate marketing is that you do need some type of a following, or you need to be able to build up some type of a following in order to sell other people's products. Especially when you guys are first starting out, it could be a little bit difficult. But now with Instagram and TikTok, it should be really easy for you to actually build an audience of your ideal client, especially if you do affiliate marketing right. If you do affiliate marketing with something that you're actually passionate about, so let's say for example you're super passionate about plants and you want to go ahead and talk about plants and teach about plants and do everything about plants. Now you can find a product that you can affiliate with, sign up for the affiliate program, and I'd recommend that product even if you already use it and you're making some money from that, right? So At this point, you can turn kind of what you know and your passion into, and you can monetize it. And that's why I actually like affiliate marketing so much, because it's probably the first way that you can actually monetize what you're passionate about. So whatever it is that you're passionate about, you can actually monetize it with affiliate marketing. Now, the cons with affiliate marketing is that, again, you need a audience to be able to monetize it, and second, you probably are not going to make a lot of money at the beginning, honestly. And I'm just being completely honest, because you don't have the following, right? So you have to build that following, and you have to sign up for programs that are actually higher ticket. So that brings me to number one, right? Why do affiliate marketing and recommend other people's products when you can create your own coaching or consulting program? Now, this is why I'm so passionate, and that's why number one, and that's why I started doing this instead of a marketing agency. And it's because I can actually talk about what I actually love doing, which is me right now. I don't like running ads for e-commerce stores. I don't like doing all that. I don't want to monetize my knowledge with other people's products. I want to create my own products, and I want to create my own program and monetize my own expertise. So that's why this is number one, because it's kind of like a mix of the two things, right? It's a mix of affiliate marketing, because I'm kind of marketing a product, but I'm marketing my own product. And I become the expert in that field instead of advertising someone else's. So in terms of coaching and consulting, I love it because I'm actually able to impact other people. And this is kind of how this coaching and consulting whole journey started for me. I also actually came from a YouTube video, and someone just DM'd me and was just like, Jonathan, I actually need help. Do you offer coaching? And I'm just like, no, not really, but sure, let's go ahead and jump on the phone on a Zoom call and see if I can actually help. And we got on a call. I told him some strategies, how broke down some strategies that I was using that was working for me. He implemented it, and he got 2 or 3 clients, and he was able to quit his job. And automatically, I'm just like, oh wow, that felt so much better than me actually getting the client myself. And I'm just like, this is what I want to do. This is it. This is the fulfilling part that I was missing. I felt so fulfilled by helping him achieve those results rather than me achieving those results, than me getting those clients, right? Yeah, obviously when you got a client, you get happy, but when you help other people achieve a result that they desire, that fulfillment is undescribable. Honestly, I think that was the biggest reason why I made the shift on my mind right away, saying, this is the thing that I have to do, and this is the thing that I have to pursue in order to be happy and actually make money. Because with the marketing agency, I was making money, but I really wasn't happy doing what I was doing. I was just waking up every day, checking the ad account, outreaching to get clients, and it was just like a whole system of this is what I gotta do. But now I kind of wake up fulfilled and just like, oh man, like how are my clients doing? I check up on my clients, I see what they're doing. I post my content, I create content, which I actually love. I love creating content. I love being here in front of the camera and talking to you guys on a consistent basis. This is honestly what I like to do. And if I can help you guys achieve a result, like get clients, turn your expertise into a coaching program, like I've been able to do, that fulfills me a lot more than helping an e-commerce store get clients, or advertise another person's products, or have an e-commerce store like I have, but it doesn't fulfill me like my coaching or consulting business. And that's exactly why I decided to go into this field and go all in and actually stop my marketing agency, stop everything else except my e-commerce store. So guys, let's review the list. Number 5 is drop shipping. Don't do it, honestly. Terrible experience with it. Number 4 is actually e-commerce store. I still have it. I still make some passive income with it. Number 3 is my marketing agency. I did this for 4 to 5 years. I stopped it recently this year. Number 3 is affiliate marketing. I still get paid affiliate marketing commissions till this day, every single month. So it's like a passive income that I have. And number 1, which is my favorite, which is coaching and consulting business. Honestly, guys, if I can recommend you guys starting with one, it's coaching and consulting. And the reason why is because if you guys have a passion, if you guys have an expertise, and if you guys can truly help other people, this is probably the best business model to do and start, because you are going to be so happy doing what you're doing because you're actually helping other people achieve a result that they desire. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for taking your time and listening to me talk and ramble. And other than that, I'll talk to you guys later.